Professional surveying, geomapping and asset inspection are dynamic processes and the foundation for many engineering projects. Developing urban areas and managing existing infrastructure requires accurate base maps and spatial data. Surveying large areas without interrupting ongoing construction work demands a new perspective to measurement and reality capture. Leica Geosystems' new UAV solution for surveying, the Leica Aibot SX, provides reliable technology to generate highly accurate data. The platform perfectly complements your existing surveying equipment like total stations and RTK rovers. Seamless integration into the powerful Leica Infinity workflow guides you through the entire project lifecycle.
Vorteil ist aber auch, dass ich höhere Genauigkeiten erreiche.
The advantage is that I achieve higher accuracy because I can capture entire areas with a view beyond the property lines and generate data without stepping onto third-party property.
Ohne Betreten von Fremdeigentum nach wie vor meine Daten generieren.
Take your survey to the next level by capturing millions of points in one flight to create orthophotos, point clouds and 3D models. Easy flight planning and a built-in GNSS system provide highest efficiency for the most accurate mapping, modeling and inspection. Capture, store, analyze and manage every detail of your surveying site with the Leica Aibot SX to provide intelligent information for intelligent decision-making.